Today, and I'm a transgender, queer, psychic, prophet, shaman, angel, messenger, reincarnated goddess. I'm going to talk about how I'm the goddess of style and warfare, reincarnated on Earth, and how I buy electric shock dog collars to electrocute myself so I can be nice to people. And I think that's intelligent to do that. You can just strap a electric shock dog collar around your thigh, and then when you're upset at somebody, you can shock yourself, and then you're in a little bit of pain and you're no longer upset at whoever you're upset at.